Splice is a very interesting array method, and it allows us to go through an array and insert values or delete values, basically update the array. But what's different about it is that other methods that arrays have, you can only do so much. You can only add values within like the size or the scope of the length. With Splice, you have a bit more freedom to add specifically to an array wherever you want. So enough talking, let's just show a good example. So what I'm going to do here is do 0. So that's where we're going to start. 0 means I'm going to delete nothing as the second argument. And then we're going to put my dog Bernie at the beginning. So this should say Bernie 1, 2, 3. Once again, where I'm starting. So where the 1 is here, I'm going to move all that crap out of the way. I'm not going to delete the 1. So this means I'm just, putting it to the front. And then I'm putting this value here. Now let's print this out and see how it works. And we see, in fact, that we have Bernie in front followed by 1, 2, 3, which is what I said. But what if I just wanted Bernie in this array? He's the only dog. All the toys are his. He's kind of territorial of this array. So we could come in, we could put down just a 3 in here, and what should come out is just Bernie, because we're starting at the index right here, but I want to remove the next 3 items from this array. And we see that we just have Bernie in here. This is a really, really handy way to manipulate your arrays, and it gives you a lot of customization. If you like this stuff, like, share, subscribe, show support. I'll see y'all in the next video.